Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted Facebook page. So the first thing you'll need to do is launch up the Facebook website, and I'll be showing you how to do this on a desktop, but if you are on a mobile phone then you can still follow along as the steps are going to be somewhat similar. So the first thing we need to do is just make sure we're logged into our Facebook profile and we have our profile selected and not one of our pages, and then from this left hand side navigation we need to come over to see more, scroll all the way down to pages, and then on this left hand panel you'll see all of the pages that you currently have active, and on the right hand side this is all of your deactivated pages as well as any pages that have been deleted. So basically when you delete a page on Facebook you have up to 30 days to recover the page. So this page down here, this eTrends Direct Online, is one that I just deleted and it will stay within here for 30 days. So all I need to do to recover it is just press this activate button here, and this is going to go ahead and restore this page to Facebook. And as you can see, this page has now been reactivated. If you did find this video useful then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.